Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what many consider the best women's Levi's sweatshirt on the market, the Levi's Women's Laundy Day Raglan Crewneck sweatshirt. If you're looking for a sweatshirt that combines classic style, comfort, and quality, this might just be the perfect addition to your wardrobe. Right from the start, this sweatshirt grabs your attention with its vintage-inspired silhouette. It's designed to evoke a nostalgic feel, giving you that soft, lived-in look and feel straight out of the box. There's no need to break it in because it comes perfectly broken in from day one. That's a huge plus for anyone who wants comfort without sacrificing style. Made from a blend of 60% cotton and 40% polyester, the fabric is soft to the touch yet durable enough for everyday wear. This balance offers breathability thanks to the cotton, while the polyester adds resilience and shape retention, so it won't lose its fit after multiple washes. Speaking of care, it's easy to maintain with simple machine washing. The sweatshirt features a raglan sleeve design which enhances mobility and adds a sporty edge to the classic crewneck. The sleeves blend seamlessly into the body, creating a flattering and comfortable fit that hits right at the hip, making it easy to pair with jeans, leggings, or skirts. It's versatile enough for casual outings or cozy days at home. The autumn leaf peach color is subtle and warm, perfect for the fall season or any time you want a soft pop of color in your outfit. The sweatshirt's vintage style means it pairs effortlessly with other pieces, whether you're layering it under a jacket or wearing it solo. Another great feature is the pull-on closure style, making it easy to wear and remove without fuss. The sweatshirt is lightweight but still cozy, making it suitable for a variety of climates and layering options. It's an imported product from Levi's, a brand known worldwide for quality and timeless fashion. With this sweatshirt, you get the reassurance of a trusted brand combined with a trendy yet classic piece. The item model number is A34140007, and it comes in sizes ranging from large to XX large, ensuring that there's a fit for most body types. The design and fit are relaxed but still flattering, making it an ideal piece for anyone looking to stay stylish and comfortable at the same time. To summarize, the Levi's Women's Laundy Day Raglan Crewneck sweatshirt stands out because of its perfect blend of vintage charm, soft fabric, and flattering fit. Whether you're updating your casual wardrobe or looking for a go-to sweatshirt that's both cozy and stylish, this is a standout option. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest insights on your favorite products. See you next time.